Today's recipe is the club sandwich. To do that, you need toasted bread. For my mom, I use lettuce, there's some mushrooms that have been, garlic butter, and my glazed ham with my pickled onions. Sauce for the sandwich, and to do that, you need some ketchup, Shito, Dijon mustard, soy sauce, and lime juice. And that is it. You need 1 teaspoon of lime, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and then a half tablespoon of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and then 2 tablespoons of Shito. Mix that all together, and there you have it, your amazing sauce for your sandwich. Now time for assembly. I put the bread on a cutting board to make it easier, and then spread the sauce on the half. Start stacking your lettuce. Honestly, I think I need better lettuce stacking skills, but I like how it looked so far. And then you do your pickled cucumbers. I really like the taste of pickled cucumbers. And then your pickled onions. Then you empty out your sauteed mushroom. You add another slice of bread. You do that spread of the Shito sauce. You add another spread of the Shito sauce, which was very amazing. And then you do another lettuce. Then your glazed ham steak, which you've already seen in my previous video. If you haven't, why haven't you seen it? Then you stack all that, arrange it in a way that looks pleasing to the eye, especially when you do the cross-sectional cut. It's very important. Then the last slice of bread goes on top. I didn't show this in a video, but I did put toothpick at both ends of the bread. Then you take out your bread knife and then you cut it into 2 equal slices. Now look, just get ready for this cross section because it looked really amazing. Like, I was just so proud of myself. Like, look at these layers. This is what you go to a restaurant and order. Okay, this is perfection on actual steroids. I really enjoyed this. If you tried this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you.